What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. Spending the last morning here on the beach. Kids are up in the pool. We're just kind of getting ready to pack up and head out for the day. Had a nice breakfast. We booked an aquarium right now to check out here in about an hour and a half. Patsy's up in the room getting ready with the baby. We're just gonna kind of chill here for a little bit and then go check this place out. Pretty cool. Got dolphins, turtles, and stuff. Kids will like it. And then we're gonna hit the road. I think we're gonna do like 12 hours today and then hit Nashville. Stay the night there and then head out the rest of the way all day tomorrow. Full day drive. But for now, just gotta enjoy this white sand and this nice pool. Let's get this day going.
Me, Rhett, and Ken, we're all gonna play King of the Water on this fountain thing, and we're gonna jump off. So we have to make the other two people get off of the fountain so we could all do it.
Alright, go for it.
Okay. Come on, guys, let's go. Ken, I got the GoPro. Ken, I got the GoPro.
I'm gonna do it. Okay, go. What it looks like. Brock, jump in. Jump in. Back flop. Now we're gonna do a back flop too.
Well, heading home. Got the whole house packed up again. Somehow I fit all this back here.
Did you leave your GoPro with that dude?
No, I got it. I grabbed it all. I got everything. Gonna try to fit in here. Get this little princess packed up. Okay, let's see how. You want to back me quick before we put all this in there?
Well, no, just my front seat at least for now.
All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Pretty girl. What did you say? There's some more up there. Need them to come over by the window. Checking out this dolphin aquarium here in Clearwater before we head home. This place is pretty cool. It's like a, I know. It's like a dolphin rescue area. Look at that thing.
It's at Animal Hospital.
Animal hospital. It's chewing on the cone like a dog. Come here.
You guys, come here. Come look at her.
Coming to us.
Come here. The dolphin's up close.
Look at those teeth. That's cool, ain't it? You see that, Brock? It's right there. Wow.
What's it doing? Itching it itself?
Looks like it. Yeah, it's plucking its feathers, cleaning itself. So he cleaned his feathers up.
These are our 7 resident house rays. They were actually donated to us with educational purposes, so they're here to be pet, and it's what they've known all of their lives. So you're more than welcome to go ahead and do that.
They're just hanging down.
So they cannot stick you. Those are actually right on the bottom of that tail that you see at the bottom of their body.
That is funny.
They're actually kind of like little serrated eyes that are made out of keratin. So keratin is the same material as our fingernails. We made it safe for you guys to pet them. You have to make it to make sure you make it safe for them to be pet, right? So just be gentle, guys. Use a couple fingers, pet them along their wings, and try to avoid the head area where the gills and the eyes and the mouth are. And you guys should be good. Other than that, just a little heads up.
What do you think of them fishes? What do you think of no fishies, huh? Checking them out. We put you in there to play with stingray.
I already touched 3 of them.
Get it?
I touched them like 5 times. They're right here sleeping. And they're all the way up and then they come up and hit the wall and then stand on it.
Mine's coming over here.
Yeah, so they go around like
Nope, scared. Scared me.
I thought that would be That's what the movie's based on.
These rice whales come
This
from
is
this
where
area.
we are right there, and this is where the whales are. So only that far. So they could swim right over to us and eat us.
It says it's a new species though. Less than 100. Look at the
This is
size.
a huge whale.
Checking out this whale exhibit up here.
Fat.
It's a big whale.
Amar's tucked in the screen.
What do you think? It's a huge whale compared to you. Just checking out the whales.
Who's pretty good?
Look at the size of these. These are just like big blow-ups. And the size of them. You can hear them too. Some big whales. What's this one called? The right whale? Less than 400. Seems like all of them are extinct pretty much too. Wow. Doing a little souvenir shopping. Mara got some shades.
I got this sweatshirt.
Brad got a sweatshirt that's about 5 sizes too big, but he'll fit into it one day.
I don't care.
It looks good. You'll grow into it.
I basically don't even have a sweatshirt.
I know, it looks good.
So guess what?
Maybe he'll fit it by winter time. You grow a little bit. It's just hard to get the size that he wants in his stuff. What? I know, I was thinking about getting those, but I look too big.
You should have.
Nah, there's a lot of them that I should have got. I just didn't want them.
Daddy, so
Some shark necklaces.
all my money.
Yep, you guys are spent. I finally got a pretty cool pair, even though it's time to go now. Should have got these a week ago. Yeah, she don't really like them. We'll put them on. We'll put them on her
You got
lap.
these a week ago?
No, I said I should have got these shades a week ago. All right, stop at the corner. Don't want her to fall forward or fall out. Always fighting over what seat they called the whole way. Every time we get in the car, they have
And then I called the one that's not folded down.
Listen, can you get back there for a little couple hours?
I think the front seats are more comfy. Just the back seat just feels better.
Yeah, and I'm not laying the seats down this time. You guys are in them.
This morning, then it would take 48 hours.
Well, yeah, I mean, if we got a hotel tonight, but I don't want to drive that much today. At least we got some stuff done. Got to see the aquarium, do a little souvenir shopping. You getting right out here? Oh, pretty girl. Man, this freaking Florida heat is something else. Getting fried out here.
I have it.
Another beautiful morning. Already asking me for internet on this thing. You guys have a good night's sleep?
Dude, boy, my iPad been not been
I'm
charging.
not even paying attention.
And then that all night.
Probably were. We stopped last night. I don't even know where. We're outside Atlanta right now. We needed to get some sleep. Yeah, we had to stop and get a little bit of sleep last night. We drove till about 1 o'clock. I think we're like half hour from Atlanta. And today's gonna be about a 17-hour drive. But we had to break it in half. I wasn't about to do what we did on the way here and get no sleep at all. Roadside Peace Stop somewhere in Alabama. There's a damn abandoned barn back there. We gotta hurry up. Been on the road for like, I don't know, 5 hours now. Just stopping every freaking 20 minutes. There's an abandoned barn way back there. Creepy. Yeah, you ever walk through stepping on a stepping in like poison ivy or something? Yeah, I bet you did. Are you stuck? They probably went right in poison ivy, I bet.
I got a lot of stuff.
Let's go. You alright?
So you had to listen to the recording.
Oh, God. Yeah, poison ivy, you're screwed. Alright, get in. You gotta go? No, you went in like 24 hours.
I did right when I woke up.
Yeah.
B is for very, very
This is
extraordinary.
the only way she quits crying.
Lissy?
Keep
Oh, that's
singing.
scary. Don't do that again.
What is that?
Lissy?
Oh, wow.
Lissy?
That is scary.
You have to catch me. Catch me doing
Off
it.
guard.
Yeah.